How to log into Snapchat on laptop. Hey guys, welcome back. In this quick video, I will show you how you can log into your Snapchat on your laptop. So let's get into it. What you need to do is you're going to go to your web browser and you're going to search for Snapchat, and it'll take you to this link here, which is snapchat.com. So this is actually the official website of Snapchat, and you're going to open it up. All right, so you can see here we have snapchat.com, and you can see Snapchat is now on the web, chat, snap, and video call. This is actually perfect. We can even open up our chats, or we can video call with our web version. So you will find this button here, log into chat. So you're gonna click on login, and this is where you will enter your email address or your username. Then you're gonna click on next. Now you will enter your password for your Snapchat and click on next. And after that, it will open up your Snapchat for you, and you'll be able to chat, snap, and video call with your friends wherever you want, whenever you want, using your laptop, because Snapchat is now available on web. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.